Hello, and welcome to this NIM tutorial on Self-Service Password Reset Part 1. Now, let's begin. The first step in providing password reset capabilities inside NIM is to enable the password reset table in NIM's internal system. Select the internal system from the Systems list. Under the Configuration tab, check the box next to Password Reset under the Available Tables list. Click Save. Then click Collect. Expand the internal system in the Systems list and select the Password Reset table. Under the Columns tab, verify that the ID column is marked as both the key and the display name. Click Save. I'll see you again in Part 2.